I used to be so lonesome, I never had a friend. Always looking out for number one. Didn't know where I was going, didn't care where I had been. The life I lived had me on the run. One day Jesus found me and took my sin away. He showed me what I thought I'd never see. He put me in His family, and He's with me to this day. Let me tell you what salvation's done for me. I used to be a blind man, but now my vision clear. Mercy came and drove the shame from me. The peace of mind with Jesus drives out every fear. I'm stronger than I thought I'd ever be. I can't tell you why He loves me as bad as I had been. Why I'm worthy of this life of victory. I know I'm not a scholar, just a sinner saved by grace, but I can tell you what salvation's done for me. One day when life is over, I go to my reward, where heaven waits for those who've been set free. We sing from all the angels in the presence of our Lord. This is what salvation's done for me. I used to be a blind man, but now my vision clear. Mercy came and drove the shame from me. The peace of mind with Jesus drives out every fear. I'm stronger than I thought I'd ever be. I can't tell you why He loves me as bad as I had been. Well, I'm worthy of this life of victory. I know I'm not a scholar, just a sinner saved by grace, but I can tell you what salvation's done for me. What salvation's done.